Step 2 of making slime. The first video was a fail.
That's it.
That's it. Okay. There we go. I think I got everything in blue.
Use the same color. It's out. Over there.
But I don't want to use the same color. I have a different color. I think I'm going to make some red slime. Have I opened the red yet? No, I have not. I bring a second knife and I don't know where it went. Hey, that's clean.
What do you want, a knife?
I got it. I got it. This is gonna definitely turn out pink. I always think it's gonna actually turn out red, but it's always pink.
Because
Red and white make pink, mother. I think I'm gonna actually shaving cream.
you're putting shaving cream in.
Yeah.
You
Because
always do.
the last one I made was a fail, so I'm gonna.
Did you put shaving cream in the last fail?
No, I did not.
All right.
Fluffy, 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 fluffy.
Looks
fluffy.
good enough to eat.
No, it does not. It really does not. It's like a salmon pink, though. I like it. Even though blue is my favorite color, and I don't like pink so much. This is a pretty pink.
It is pretty.
Okay, there's my light pink. Now I think I'm gonna put some.
I don't think you should use it. I think just use Tide.
It's worth a shot, mother. I think that's enough. For now. Because you see it's starting to
Ah.
Because this one's a fluffy one, and fluffy ones form better than regular ones with contact solution. It's just going to be a little bit sticky, so I'm probably going to have to add some more.
What about the shit? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I think I like that texture.
My grandma hates all textures. So, good start. I'm just wiping my hands quickly because they are dirty, very dirty.
Oh wow.
Pretty nice.
Oh, that's like silly putty almost.
But I think I'm gonna add
What do you think you need more of that?
because there's still like some residue of non-slime at the edges.
Oh.
So I need to just fix that. And there's still like little plots of shaving cream.
I see little specks of blue.
Yeah, because of my hands from the last one. It was a fail, and it's right here. It's not on the table. It's in the trash can.
It's right here. Oh, that's a good one. Huh. Are you satisfied with that one?
Yes. I think the fluffiness, I think I'm just better with fluffy slime. I'm cringing because of the blue in it though. Because it's just pink with random specks of blue.
It's unusual and unique. Oh, I really like how that turned out. Can Grandma touch it?
Yep.
Oh, I like it. Can you make a bubble?
First, I think it's good enough.
I think it's excellent. Wow. Oh,
There's a bubble. Pop it. I think I'm gonna just.
my table. It smells good too.
Slime is more important than the table. Just kidding. The table was a little more expensive than the supplies.
Not really.
Nice poke.
Yeah.
Just a little residue on my hands. Grandma, I think I know more about slime than you do, and this needs a little bit more. Because of it's like when you touch it like your full hands, then you can tell that it needs more.
Oh.
When you just go, ooh, 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 you can't tell if you need more.
Is it perfect now?
I think it's pretty good. Bye. Check out my friend Avery's channel. This is a video. Barkley busts a move. And then she has 2 videos up. The second one's Barkley busts another move. And my friend Sylvia's channel. And like, it doesn't really come up when you put their names in, but it comes up when you put the videos in. So her video is called Fireworks.
And what about Kayla?
Kayla doesn't have a channel.
Can we show your face?
No. I will have a face reveal soon. Bye.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.